You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is c equals -3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Combine like terms. Group all c terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 2 over 3c from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 2 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the c. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over 10. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is c equals -3.